Section 2. Enhanced punishment, a closer look at Section 24. Section 24 deals with repeat offenders. It's like getting a harsher punishment for a crime you've committed before. Imagine someone steals a bike and gets caught. The first time they might get a warning or a small fine, but if they steal another bike after that, Section 24 kicks in. This section says they should receive a more serious punishment. This could be a larger fine or even jail time. The idea is to deter people from committing the same crime twice. It's about making the consequences more severe for those who don't learn their lesson. This section emphasizes the importance of rehabilitation. The law wants to give people a chance to change, but it also recognizes that some individuals continue to break the law. In these cases, harsher penalties become necessary. Section 3. Attempts to commit offences, unpacking Section 25. Section 25 deals with situations where a crime is attempted but not successfully completed. Let's say someone tries to rob a bank but fails. Even though they didn't get away with any money, they still committed a crime. Section 25 ensures they face consequences for their actions. This section recognizes that even attempts can cause harm. They create fear and disrupt peace. It also shows that the law is concerned with intent. Even if a crime isn't fully realized, the intention to commit it is a serious offense. Section 4, the reach of the Pakistan Penal Code, Section 26 explained. Section 26 clarifies the relationship between the legal order we are discussing and the Pakistan Penal Code, or PPC. The PPC is like a big book of criminal laws in Pakistan. It defines various crimes and their punishments. This section essentially says that the legal order doesn't replace the PPC. Instead, it works alongside it. Think of it like this. The PPC provides the general rules, while the legal order adds specific rules for certain situations. This ensures that there are no gaps in the law. It creates a comprehensive legal framework. This is important for maintaining order and ensuring justice is served in all situations. Section 5. Navigating criminal procedure. Section 27, in focus. Section 27 is all about procedure. It links the legal order with the Code of Criminal Procedure, or CRPC. The CRPC is like a rule book for criminal cases. It outlines the steps involved, from filing a complaint to the final judgment. This section ensures that cases related to the legal order are handled according to the CRPC's established procedures. This is crucial for fairness and transparency. It ensures that everyone involved in a case understands the rules and their rights. Section 28, Indemnity. This one's all about protection. It states that no suit, prosecution, or other legal proceeding shall lie against any person for anything done in good faith or intended to be done under this Act. In simple terms, if you're acting in good faith within the bounds of this law, you're shielded from legal backlash. Next is Section 29. Order to override other laws. This section stipulates that any order made under this Act will have the power to override any other law. It's essentially saying that this Act takes precedence over conflicting laws, ensuring no legal contradictions. Section 30, presiding officer of court to be a Muslim. This might sound specific, but it requires that the presiding officer of any court handling cases under this Act must be a Muslim. This is likely rooted in ensuring cultural and religious relevance in legal proceedings. Moving on to Section 31, power to make rules. This grants the authority to make rules for carrying out the provisions of this Act. It's a standard clause, but very important. It provides the framework for implementing the law effectively. Section 32, saving. This section ensures that any action taken or order made before the commencement of this Act remains valid. It's a way to preserve the continuity and integrity of the legal process, preventing any retroactive invalidity. Lastly, Section 33, repeal. This section repeals any previous enactments that are inconsistent with the new Act. It's about clearing the slate and removing any conflicting laws to